Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I do my looks. We are going to a Halloween party tonight and I'll be showing you how I did my makeup today using this Naked Urban Decay Hit palette. So today I'm gonna show you four colors of this palette, and this is how it looks right now. I know I look stupid right now. I just didn't do the eyes so I can show it to you guys. Okay, first I am going to use this sauce as my transition, and I'll be using a brush Sigma number, I can't remember, it's E37 by the way. So I'm gonna use this sauce and top it off. Each time when you use your makeup, don't use too much yet because hindi mo na mababalik pag marami mo nang nailagay sa eyelid mo. So just top it off, and I'm going to just put this all the way to the top of my crease, and just do like that. So I'm going to do wiping motion right now, and don't put too much pressure so you can have a really nice blend of your transition. So with the same brush, now I am going to use He Devil, this color. And I'm just gonna put it right here to my crease in the middle, and just do a wiping motion again. And then after that, with my Sigma E25, I am going to use Cayenne, this one. And top it off. So in my outer lid here, I'm just gonna pack it like that, the color, and bring it in the middle of your crease. So I'm just gonna focus right now in the outer, to my outer lid. There's a little like leftover of that. I'm just gonna bring it all the way in the inner corner. And just do just a wiping motion. Okay, with a clean brush, I'm gonna use this Morphe brush M139 just to blend the edges. So it gives some smooth looking in the edges. Okay, and then with my brush Morphe M507, I'm going to use Ashes, this color right here. I'm just gonna put it on my outer lid as well, just to deepen the color, and tap it off. Just put it like that. I'm doing a patting motion right now, softly. And just bring it in the middle to my pocket lid there. I'm gonna get a little bit more amount and top it off. I think I got the color that I like right now. And after that, in that blank lid in the middle, I am going to use this color, Scorch. And then this palette comes with its own brush. So this part of the brush, I'm going to get Scorch color, and I'm just trying to spray a little bit of my setting spray. It will gives it added more bright color when you have a wet brush. So just get that and then put it there. Not enough. Oh, you guys, this color is so pretty. And I am going to use this Morphe M507 again. I'm going to get this color, use this color Low Blow right here, and just smudge it in the edge so it has a, it looks smooth right there. Okay, and then with my brush Sigma E37, I'm going, oh, I'm sorry. Ooh, sorry guys. I'm just gonna use it here to smudge again the top. So it will blend the color well. So with my finger, I am going to use L'Ombre, and I'm just gonna put it like in the middle right here.
using the finger, guys, it gives more a pretty color in your eyelid. So like that.
And I couldn't find, give me 1 second. So I have this Hypnotic lights. It's like a highlighter. It's from Milani. I'm going to put in the middle as well, so it gives more I like shimmer, like glittery thing. So I'm just gonna put it in the middle of my lid.
Do it like that.
Okay, and I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and then after that
I'm going to just pat it off with my ring finger to make that color even and stays right there, stays in its place.
And back to my brush, Morphe M507, I'm gonna smudge the line, I mean in the edge, so there. Alright guys, I'm going to put my lashes and put a little liquid eyeliner on it off the camera, and I'll be right back. Thank you. Alright guys, here's the final look. I hope you learned something from this video today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.